Hi guys, today let's make a small hack in our daily routine. Generally we know that we will play Dino game and we will sometimes we may lose the game. We can also play the Dino game if we are in online also. Just press Chrome colon slash Dino. Press enter. Okay, now you can see that I have already connected to Wi-Fi, but I can play the game. Generally, I was not that much expect to play this game, so today I will write a code to get unlimited points. Here I was not like very well player in this game, so I will write a code and then I can get so many unlimited points. For that you need to do simply one thing: right click and then click inspect. In that, go to console. For somebody, this inspect will come to the right side or to the bottom. Now simply follow my code. It's only one line code. Do not need to worry. Right, runner dot instance. Google has written already a code. I was simply changing that code. That's it. Game over. Game over. This was written in JavaScript language. Do not need to worry because JavaScript we won't use that much JavaScript here. Only single line code. And then after writing this code, press enter. Okay, now let's start playing this game. See, I was not playing at all, but I'm getting so many points. This is a small daily hack, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you all.